Wit videos. Wit videos.
The importance of towels in your kitchen. Why you shouldn't overlook them. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we share useful tips and ideas for your everyday life. In today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of towels in your kitchen. Although towels may seem like a minor detail in your cooking routine, they actually play a significant role in maintaining hygiene and cleanliness in your kitchen. So, let's dive in. Absorb spills and messes. Towels are excellent at absorbing spills and messes in your kitchen. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or washing dishes, spills are bound to happen. Having a towel nearby helps you clean up the mess quickly and prevent stains from setting in. Wipe counters and surfaces. Towels are great for wiping down counters and surfaces in your kitchen. This helps to maintain cleanliness and hygiene, especially when preparing food. By using towels to wipe down surfaces, you can prevent the growth of harmful bacteria that could cause foodborne illnesses. Prevent cross-contamination. Using towels in the kitchen can also help prevent cross-contamination. For example, you can use different towels for different tasks, such as one for wiping counters and another for drying dishes. This helps to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria from one area of the kitchen to another. Protect your hands. Towels can also be used to protect your hands when handling hot objects such as pots and pans. By using a towel to hold the hot object, you can prevent burns and other injuries that could result from direct contact. In conclusion, towels are an essential part of any kitchen. They play a vital role in maintaining hygiene and cleanliness, preventing cross-contamination, and protecting your hands. So, don't overlook the importance of towels in your kitchen. By having a few towels on hand, you can ensure that your kitchen stays clean and safe for you and your family. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.